What is going on, guys? Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So we have 5 companies to break down in this video, all of which just reported earnings. So we're going to break down their earnings, their charts. We'll also break down the indexes here very quickly. So you know the drill. Hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe. We're trying to get the 50,000 subs this year. And don't forget to get up to 15 stocks for Moomoo. If you guys want free money, that is. All of those could be valued up to $2,000. Link down below, guys. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive right into the video. So check it out. Currently, it's about almost 2 p.m. on this wonderful Friday afternoon, guys, and it seems like spring is coming sooner than expected here in New Jersey, which, to be honest, I'm not opposed to that. I actually really love spring, arguably my favorite season of the year. But yeah, it's pretty nice out. The sun's not out today, but you know it is pretty warm out there. But either way, markets right now are looking pretty green, except for the NASDAQ, which we can cut the NASDAQ some slack considering how much it's gone up in the past couple of days. You guys can see now it's only down 0.1%, which is nothing for the NASDAQ. The Dow's up, let's see, 0.25%. S&P's up 0.2%, roughly 0.25%, as well as the Russell's up 0.6%. So we are green pretty much all across the board. The VIX is down yet again. Volatility is dying down. VIX down 4.4%. And it looks like here SPY might have hit another all-time high earlier in the day. Let me double check. Yeah, it looks like we did, guys. $510.13 on SPY. That's a fresh all-time high here. And on Triple Q, let me pull that up here and see. Looks like that also hit an all-time high, even though it's red a little bit right now. But it looks like we hit 440.59 this morning, and then we sold off to about 435. So that was actually a decent sell-off, 1.1%. Then we rebounded. But yeah, you know, it's down a bit on the day, but still all-time high on the day today for Triple Q, for SPY, maybe the Dow as well. Yeah, it's looking like the Dow as well. Yup, 39.3 on the Dow. And before you know it, this could be at 40,000 points, guys. The next milestone is right around the corner, which is nuts. So what do you guys think about these indexes? Thanks to NVIDIA, you know, a lot of these indexes are pushing up like crazy, all of them pretty much. Maybe not so much the Russell, but the other ones are moving like crazy over the past couple of days. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, guys, and let's break down now some stocks, some companies that just reported. We just got numbers from Intuit, which their ticker is INTU, if you guys didn't know, and their stock is up around 1% right now. So let me see what they reported, guys. Looks like they ended up doing adjusted EPS of 263, it looks like here. I'm not sure what the estimate. Actually, no, the estimate was 230, so they broke, or not broke, but beat the estimate. And it looks like here sales were in line, $3.39 billion, in line with the expectations, and they reiterated their full year 24 revenue guidance. Let's see, $15.89 to $16.1 billion, adjusted EPS of $16.17 to $16.47. So that's pretty good. It looks like they see Q3 adjusted EPS 931 to 938 versus 969 expected, so a little bit under the expectations, but revenue growth 10-11% for Q3. That's their guidance there, not bad. Let's see. It looks like here UBS adjusts into a price target to 625 from 540, maintains a neutral rating. Looks like Mizuho hikes price target to 725, so they're the most bullish. Actually, no, wait, 775 is the most bullish from Susquehanna, and they think it's or rather, it's a positive, or they're maintaining their positive rating. So yeah, Intuit, guys, is looking pretty good right now. If we look at the chart, we do have a bit of an ascending triangle here, which looks like it's trying to play out right now. We're not fully breaking above 665, 670 quite yet, but if we're able to do that on Intuit, let me set my alert now, might as well at 670, mark is at or above. If we're able to get out of there, guys, we could be seeing a nice leg up on this stock, and maybe we can make our move to all-time highs again, which we hit back in 2021, $716 per share. So I'm telling you guys, set your alerts, watch that triangle on the 4-hour chart, and we'll see how that plays out. Mercado Libre, MELI, let me pull that up and show you guys this one. They're down over 9% today after they reported numbers. So it looks like GAAP EPS came in at 325, which it looks like that was the same last year, according to this. Sales $4.26 billion, which beat the $4.12 billion, or maybe that was in line, the 3.25 or $3.25 GAAP EPS. Either way, sales beat. It looks like here it's got to be a guidance thing. Why would the stock be selling off 9% here? Let's see. Maybe we're not even seeing it here, but it looks like here, down over 12%, on track for largest percent decrease since May of 2022. Looks like Barclays raises their price target to $2,000 from $1,900. They keep an overweight rating on the stock. So honestly, guys, this looks like a pretty interesting dip on Mercado Libre. We're still obviously holding an uptrend. We're still above the 180 SMA. If we draw this channel out, let me show you guys this. Still clearly in the channel. Boom. More towards the bottom of it. So let's see if we do get some consolidation, maybe a rebound. This could be a nice recovery play, in my opinion. Mercado Libre. Let's see. WBD is another one that a lot of people have been watching as a value play. Personally, I'm not looking to buy it, but that's what I've been hearing through the grapevine. And it looks like Warner Brothers is down yet again, guys, 9.2% on the day, maintaining its downtrend that it's been in for months at this point. So it looks like here Warner Brothers ended up reporting GAAP EPS of negative 16 cents. That missed the loss of 7 cents expected, so wider loss than expected. And sales also missed, $10.28 billion versus $10.34 billion expected. So double miss for Warner Brothers Discovery, which honestly, if you are in the camp of it being a value play, a good, attractive price, you might like this. You might like the fact that it's down even more, so you can buy even more on the dip. But yeah, I'm not. I'm not loving the fact that they missed on EPS and revenue. I'm not seeing anything here on guidance, which maybe their guidance was bad. Let's see here, guys. It looks like here, Warner Brothers Discovery stock tumbles as streaming losses improve, but miss Wall Street's mark. Discovery misses Q4 estimate, yada, yada, yada. How many people are on that service? Let's see here, guys. I'm not even seeing that. Let's see. Elden Ring sales still booming. Why is that here? Aren't they making a new Elden Ring? Either way, we're not getting into that in this video. But look, WBD, guys. It's very beaten down. We just hit a fresh low on the 4-hour chart, probably on the 1 year. Well, of course, on the 1 year, maybe the 3 year. 3 year as well. So this thing is down big time. We're talking from $80 per share. Now it's at $8. I mean, didn't this spin off from AT&T a couple of years ago, right? I forget exactly what happened with this thing, but either way, not looking so great right now for WBD. Maybe it recovers. Maybe it's a value play. Maybe I should do a deeper dive into it in another video. But that's a quick rundown here on that. We also got earnings out of Carvana, which is up a whopping 31% today, guys. Holy freaking crap. It is at a fresh high on the 4-hour chart, and it looks like here they reported. Let me pull it up and see, guys. Where are we here? There we go. GAAP EPS, they lost $1, which missed the loss of 95 cents expected, and they also missed on sales. What's going on, guys? $2.42 billion versus $2.53 billion expected, so double miss. It's got to be a guidance thing, right? Maybe guidance is pretty strong. They see Q1 adjusted EBITDA significantly above $100 million. Looks like they sold 76,000 retail units in Q4. They see Q1 retail units sold slightly up on a year-over-year basis, which is good. Let's see, anything else here regarding guidance? Looks like Wedbush raises their price target to $60 from $50. All right, which is interesting. RBC raises price target to 45 from 24. Geez, that was pretty low. But yeah, it looks like we're getting some price hikes. Maybe guidance was better than expected. Either way, it is completely breaking out. This triangle right here, let me draw it out. You guys see this triangle. I don't think we necessarily called that out, but you can see it now as it's clearly played out with the benefit of hindsight. You guys can see how we're breaking out completely now. So let's see if this momentum continues on Carvana. On the 3-year chart, we're still obviously very beaten down. So, yeah, this looks like a great momentum play right now. I'm looking for a pullback. We'll see how it plays out. And last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, I appreciate you all for tuning in till the end, by the way. Make sure to hit that like button. And by the way, let me know in the comments where you're watching this video from. What city, what country, what state. If you're in the United States, let me know in the comments. And we have the last one here, which is Moderna, and they're down about 4%. Let me see what Moderna ended up doing. mRNA is the ticker here, guys. So, where the heck are these tickers? Or not the tickers, but the earnings. Looks like EPS 55 cents, which beat the loss of 97 cents expected. And it looks like sales also beat $2.81 billion versus $2.49 billion expected. And it looks like they expect fiscal year 24 revenue of approximately $4 billion from its respiratory franchise. All right, let's see anything else here. Okay, I guess that's pretty much it. Looks like we have a couple of price target increases here. Looks like RBC Capital reiterates outperform on Moderna, maintains a 125 price target. They're pretty bullish. So we can see here, if I pull this 3-year up or even the 1 year, we've clearly been downtrending for quite some time, right? And as of now, we're actually testing the top of that channel, which is right at about, let's see, $100 per share. That's where we fail time and time again over the past couple of months. So if you're a bull, if you want to see this break out, you're going to need to see it take out, honestly, I'd say $100 to $110 per share. And boom, maybe it does end up hitting that RBC price target, which obviously is not guaranteed. Guys, make sure to trade at your own risk, and of course, take analysts' opinions with a grain of salt. So with that being said, I'm going to wrap the video up. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button. Make sure to subscribe. Don't forget to get up to 15 stocks from Moomoo, each up to $2,000, guys. Those are linked down below. And you might as well check out Interactive Brokers. Both of those are phenomenal for trading, for investing. Check them out down below. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys later.